Welcome to the channel. What happens when Shelby takes everything it knows about high-performance muscle machines and applies it to a pickup truck? The result is the all-new 2027 Shelby Sports Pickup, a bold and aggressive machine that combines the practicality of a truck with the heart-pounding excitement of a sports car. This is not your average pickup. It's a statement on wheels, designed for drivers who want power, style, and exclusivity all in one package. From the very first glance, the 2027 Shelby Sports Pickup demands attention. The front end features an aggressive grille design, signature Shelby badging, and a sculpted hood that hints at the performance hiding underneath. Sharp LED headlights give the truck a modern and intimidating look, while functional air vents and aerodynamic enhancements improve both cooling and efficiency. The muscular fenders and wide stance create a commanding presence on the road, making it clear that this pickup means business. Moving along the sides, you'll notice large performance wheels wrapped in high grip tires, emphasizing the truck's athletic character. Shelby exclusive graphics and body accents add a distinctive touch, while the lowered suspension setup gives it a sportier profile than traditional pickups. At the rear, a redesigned tailgate, performance-inspired bumper, and dual exhaust outlets complete the aggressive appearance. Every angle of this truck has been carefully crafted to blend rugged capability with high-performance styling. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a premium experience that feels more like a luxury sports vehicle than a work truck. High-quality leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and Shelby logos throughout the interior remind occupants that they're in something special. The sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while premium materials cover nearly every surface. Technology is another strong point. A large touchscreen infotainment system serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, offering seamless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and access to various vehicle functions. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, including performance data and driving statistics. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and an upgraded premium sound system ensure that both drivers and passengers remain connected and entertained on every journey. Of course, the biggest story is what lies beneath the hood. The 2027 Shelby Sports Pickup is expected to feature a supercharged V8 engine producing well over 700 horsepower. That kind of power transforms this pickup into a true performance machine capable of delivering breathtaking acceleration. Paired with a specially tuned automatic transmission, power is delivered smoothly and efficiently whether you're launching from a stoplight or cruising on the highway. Shelby engineers have also focused on handling. Upgraded suspension components, performance brakes, and enhanced steering systems help this truck corner with confidence while maintaining everyday drivability. The exhaust note is unmistakably Shelby, producing a deep and aggressive sound that announces its presence long before it arrives. Despite its performance focus, the truck still retains practical pickup capabilities. The cargo bed remains functional for hauling gear, while advanced towing technology helps drivers manage heavy loads with ease. This balance between utility and excitement is what makes the Shelby Sports Pickup stand out in a crowded market. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Shelby Sports Pickup is expected to start around $95,000, with fully loaded versions potentially exceeding $120,000 depending on options and performance packages. While that places it firmly in premium territory, buyers aren't just purchasing a truck, they're investing in a limited production Shelby vehicle with unique styling, exceptional performance, and collector appeal. The 2027 Shelby Sports Pickup proves that a pickup truck can be practical, luxurious, and incredibly fast all at the same time. It's a bold vision of what happens when muscle car heritage meets modern truck engineering. For enthusiasts who refuse to compromise between performance and utility, this could be one of the most exciting vehicles of the year.